Hey guys. Okay, nail lovers. This one is for you. And I'm so excited because this might be the best beauty purchase I have made all year. This is the 54-piece gel nail polish kit. And whether you're a complete beginner like me or someone who just wants gorgeous salon quality nails without the salon price tag, this kit has absolutely everything you need. I mean, everything. Let's talk about what is actually inside this box because the value here is almost unbelievable. You actually get 32 bottles of gel nail polish, 32 colors covering every season, every mood, every occasion, spring pastels, summer brights, fall neutrals, winter glam. It's all there. Plus a base coat, a no wipe top coat, and a matte top coat, and a glitter top coat. 4 different finishes so you can customize every single look. A professional UV and LED nail lamp is included so you're ready to cure from day one. And 14 pieces of nail tools to handle everything from prep to cleanup. This is a complete professional nail setup in one beautiful box, and you do not have to buy a single extra thing to get started. That alone makes this an incredible deal. Stick around so you can see how it actually came out. Now let's talk about the color selection because the 32 colors for all seasons means you are never bored, never stuck, never repeating the same look twice. Want something soft and romantic for spring? Got it. Bold and bright for summer cookouts? Absolutely. Cozy, terracotta, and burgundy for fall? Yes. Deep, vampy shades for winter? It is all in there. You can match your nails to the season, to fashion trends, to your outfit, to your mood. The creativity is completely unlimited with this collection. Now, for all beginners out there, do not be intimidated because this kit is specifically designed for us in mind. The instructions are clear. The process is straightforward. And once you get the hang of it, you're going to feel like an absolute nail professional like I did. The key is prep. Gently buff the surface of your nails, clean them with a nail dehydrator to remove any oil and moisture, and then cure each layer. Base coat, color, top coat for at least 60 seconds under the lamp. That prep step is what gives you that strong, long-lasting adhesion that keeps your nails looking perfect for weeks. Follow those steps and your results will genuinely blow your mind away. This kit is the most incredible gift. Hope this helps.